To copy component and insert it to the new specified location, you can choose the Copy Component tool from the Edit Components panel. After that, you will be asked to select a component to copy it. Then click on wherever you want to place your component. On doing so, the Insert Edit Component dialog box will be shown, so you can enter your desired values. If you enter new values, then the copied component will be updated automatically. Then choose the OK button to do that. Now I'm going to copy a child component and explain it more. If you copy the child component again, you will be asked to select the parent's component. And as you can see, the copied component will get new reference number based on the parent component you have selected.